Gonna go get skewer, rice skewer minimum. Let's see what they have. Have a lot of variety. These are vegetable up here. Alright, welcome back everyone. Today we're here at YinTang Hotpot.
Ooh, it's currently 5 p.m. on a Friday night. We gotta go in here before the crowd come in.
This parking lot is gonna be full by 6 p.m.
Let's check out how to order. So you would build your own hot pot and it's sold by pound. Every pound would cost $13.99. You grab the bowl and a tongue and you pick the ingredients. You wait and you choose your broth flavor.
And you can build your own skewer right here too. 5-piece minimum.
That's right, 5 skewers minimum per order. I highly recommend getting the skewers in addition to your hot pot. That will complete your meal.
That's what we're doing today. Let's go.
Come on in.
Water for you. You can get the stuff here, hot pot here, and then order the food right here. These are the options that you can pick. Some noodle right here. Ooh, udon over here. And these are mostly vegetable. I'll go over the meat section in a little bit. Some lady is working on it. And here's the sauce available. You can get sugar, salt, soy sauce, a bunch of other stuff. Oh, these are green onion, cilantro, chili, bunch of other stuff. You get the bowl right here. Here are the meat options available. Fried, sweet, raw stuff, ball, and potato bar. Alright, here our bowl. This one Eva got a lot of vegetables.
Masu underneath.
Yeah. For me, I got a lot of seafood. Seafood my favorite. Alright. Let's weight them.
Let's weight them. Alright, let's go.
1.38. Okay, we're done. Now we're gonna go get skewer. Rice skewer minimum. Let's see what they have. Have a lot of variety. These are vegetable up here. A lot of good options to choose from. Oh, this one is empty. King oyster mushroom. Maybe that one's popular. Okay, let's pick. Okay, Eva's gonna pick 5. What are we picking? This is the 5 items that we got. Everything is $2 except for the sausage, which is $3. Okay. You see? That's cool. Brought over there. It's where you can get the drink. Which one you wanna do? Free drink offer. Alright, my bowl has arrived. Look very delicious and hot. I got the non-spicy option. So does Eva.
Yeah, the broth is the original beef bone.
Awesome. Okay.
That one's the best here.
That's right. We're gonna dig in soon. Okay.
Alright, here is my ball after it's been cooked. Plenty of balls because I love the balls. This is supposed to be a sea urchin ball, but I don't really know if there's any sea urchin in there. Sea urchin is super expensive. This right here is very interesting.
Here you go.
This is, at Thailand they call it the golden fortune bag. The stuffing should be fish. Ooh. Min got a free drink. What you get? Milk tea drink.
Yeah.
Interesting. Does it have any caffeine? Product of China. So they offer 3 ways for you to get a free drink. So So be sure to check that out and see if you can do any one of those. It's hard to say no to free things, right?
Yes, I have to say not to free stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's eat.
Let's eat.
Okay, let's see what I have in mind. I mainly have meat. I don't have any noodle.
You didn't put any noodles in there?
No, I like meat only.
Ooh. Nice.
Meat and some vegetable right here.
Oh, is this a Chinese donut?
Yep, that's a Chinese donut.
Nice. Wow,
Like
cool.
Or octopus. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we ready.
Thank you. All right, our skewers also arrived.
There you go.
All cooked up. We got the quail eggs.
This is the Chinese sausage.
Yep, this one costs $2.99.
And then this one I believe is lamb or beef. I think this is the
Okay,
and then this is the intense
tripe, beef tripe. The other one is the beef, the darker one.
That's right.
Okay, this is our round 2 right here. These 5 skewers, they all look very good. Let me start with the quail eggs. These are fried quail eggs. $1.99 per skewer. Wow. The taste is so good. It's crunchy on the outside, creamy on the inside.
Perfect.
I love it. I like to eat these without any sauce, but you are free to grab the various sauces that are available.
What's next?
Let me try the sausage. This looks interesting. These are made with no spiciness.
Yeah.
You can adjust it. Just tell the cashier.
But it's still a little bit spicy. Anyway.
Also good. Salty. But very yummy smell.
That's great.
Oh, what I like to do is to put green onion on these stuff. Grab
So
this.
we're gonna go ahead and put some green onion inside.
Yeah, I like to put green onion to balance out to create a balance in the flavor. And I eat this. This is a lamb. But chewy.
Chewy. I think that's the beef then. That's not the lamb.
No, this one's the beef is dark.
Okay.
The lamb is not as dark. This one is just chewy for some reason.
Careful.
Okay. Let's try this again. Right here.
It's chewy.
Yeah, but just that piece. The rest should be okay.
Okay. That's good.
Should I try it?
The beef. Okay. It's very crowded here. A lot of people. Okay, here's the check. Total is $58. We